This is a package of 6 M8 metric 8 connectors. Typically use these to connect pieces of threaded rod together, make it longer. But you can do all kinds of other things with it. Use these as spacers by screwing a M8 size up from the bottom through a plate. Put another plate and another M8 on the top. All different kinds of things. You can thread these onto a piece of rod to make a big tall bolt. Or just use them as a big tall nut. So a lot of things you can do with these. Good to have around. And these are very well made. 304 stainless. Threads are cut perfectly. Nice chamfer. Keep them from binding when you screw them all the way down. Good stuff. I know they'll work well for you. And reasonable price. Enjoy. Cheers.